see what we went through here today. So let's go ahead and get started. Today, we're going to start by talking about what THRiVe is, what the new THRiVe platform is, how it benefits accredited businesses, and then we're going to take a little journey through the platform itself so you can see how it works. Let's go ahead and get started. So first, to introduce what THRiVe is. So what we've done is we've actually partnered with some of the best technologies on the market to give all of our accredited businesses a better way to manage your online presence, manage your online tools. All the tools in the system are best-in-class tools. They're some of the best tools on the market integrated into this centralized system. You also, because you're an accredited business and because of the scale that the BBB has, we actually can offer wholesale pricing of these tools to our accredited businesses. So the nice thing about this, and we'll show this to you in just a moment, the pricing you can get on these tools within this platform are going to be far lower than what you can get anything direct outside of the system. All of the tools on the platform are also a la carte. So you can just pick and choose what you need. There's no bundling, there's no packages. You don't have to buy one tool to access another. You just pick and choose what you need, like a marketplace. It's very simple setup. Each tool, once you activate it, you'll actually be able to go in and watch a little video to get you started. And then each tool has a really nice step-by-step tutorial to get you up and running on that specific tool. Again, these are very powerful tools. They're best-in-class integrated technologies, but we've made them very simple and easy to use. One of the other great things about it too is it's single sign-on. So you can manage all these tools, all these technologies through one portal, through one platform. You get a single invoice for the month, so you don't have to, try to find what you're being billed for, try to have your accountant try to figure out what the all the technologies that you're purchasing are. And for employee access, it makes it very easy. You can add new employees to your account so they can help you manage your social media or update your website. And there's no cost associated with that. There's no cost for adding employees to the system. And so it's very easy to get people up and running. And if somebody leaves, you can shut down their access really quickly, really easily without having to remember exactly what you gave them access to. And then finally, you get dedicated support. So in the system itself, you're going to have a little chat feature there that connects to our team. You can always talk to somebody to help you get you up and started, answer any questions you might have, or get the inquiries that you have resolved for you. So now let's jump into some of these tools, and what we want to really show you here is the functionality and the price points. You can kind of see the difference between purchasing tools like this through THRiVe and through the BBB versus purchasing them outside of the system. So first off, like a website builder. So if you're looking to update your website, there's a great functionality in here to be able to do that. $25 per month versus $35 or $26 for other systems. And you can see some of the differences in the quality and the functionality of the tool there. The CRM, a great tool if you're looking to upgrade your sales funnel management, those types of things. Again, look at the features that you get and the price points that are here, 25 versus 105 or 40. One thing to note about this system as well, all the tools on the platform are at their premium version. So there's never going to be, oh, you have to upgrade to get this or upgrade to get that. You're going to be getting the top-notch system at these price points. There's never going to be any secret or weird little billings that you're going to have to figure out. Social media management, again, you can see the functionality here versus like a Hootsuite or Spout Social, and the price points. Look at the difference in the price point, 35 versus 49 or 99. Email marketing, this is a big one. If you're using email marketing, if you're sending newsletters, etc., the price point here is going to be incredibly different than if you were on a MailChimp, a Constant Contact, a Campaign Monitor. You can look at those price points right there. And this is for sending 10,000 emails per month. So if you have up to 10,000 contacts in MailChimp, you're going to be spending $275 to $300 per month. We don't charge by how many contacts you have. We charge by how many emails are sent. And you get 10,000 emails for every $20 bucket. So if you need to send 20,000 emails in a month, it would cost you only $40. So big price difference there. And you'll see in a second, once we do the tour, the functionality is all there as well. Directory listings, again, a big one here. You got to $30 a month versus a Yext or a sign up for, sign up is a similar price point, but you can see the difference in the functionality there. And then a Yext is a much, much more expensive product. Also, one thing to note with the tools in the THRiVe platform, everything is month to month. You can activate a tool, and if you find yourself not using it or it's not, living up to the expectations you had, you can close these off. Unlike a Yext or sign up where you have to sign up for a year's contract, with THRiVe, everything is month to month. And then review management. Again, functionality versus price, 30 versus 250 or $90 a month. And again, some people might say, okay, well, the price is so much lower. Is the quality there? And we're going to show you that right now because the quality is definitely there. What we're able to do, again, with the scale that we have with the BBB, we're able to offer these tools, these best-in-class technologies at price points that you just can't get outside the system because we have negotiated those types of price points together. Let's go and jump into the platform and show you how it works. Okay, here's the platform. Here's how the system is set up. And you can see once you log in, the first thing you're going to see is just a little analytics dashboard here. You can plug in your Google Analytics here to kind of get a quick view of what's going on. Over in the silhouette over here, here's where you're going to manage your own profile. Again, you can add users to the platform, as many users as you want for your team. You can add those. If you have multiple businesses, you can actually manage those in here as well. So you can upload or put the information for your other businesses in, and then you can jump back and forth between different businesses very quickly and easily right there. So if you have multiple locations, et cetera, you can do that very easily. Billing reporting, financial reporting, all that kind of stuff right there. You also have the chat feature right here, so you can see that chat bubble. Again, if you ever have any questions, if you need something, if you need help getting started, that goes right to our support team, 24/7. Get a hold of somebody, they can help you out. Let's jump into some of these tools. The website builder, this is the first one we're going to look at. This is one of the only tools that will actually pop out into a new tab, and we do that to give you a full screen view of your website as you're building it. We think that's important to be able to see how it's going to look, how it's going to function. So you can see it pops out into a new tab, so it will open up here. Everything, again, is single sign-on. So once you sign into your account, which you can do via the THRiVe or via your BBB portal or with the credentials that you've been received, you can log in and access all these tools. Very easy builder, really, really great to get started. It's got over 100 different templates that you can use based off of your industry. So if you're a restaurant, if you're a plumber, if you're an electrician, whatever you might be, a lawyer, there's templates built in here for you to get you up and started. Really easy to get working with. So you come in here, you can just edit the content right in line here. You can add a whole bunch of different functionalities, buttons, all that kind of stuff. You can create as many pages as you want as well. We have no limit on that. So if you have a 5,000 page website, you can absolutely get that up and running in here. Your navigation, you can nest pages under other pages if you'd like. You can hide pages if you want to use this just for landing pages for like ads. And it's all block based. So you can see here, you come in, you find all these different blocks within the system. And if you want to update a block or you want to create a new block, you can come in, you got your services blocks, your products blocks, online store. The online store, this does come with a free three product store. So if you want to sell products on your website, you can do that right through the platform here as well. There are options if you do want to sell, more than 3 products. There's different options for that as well, up to 100 products, up to 1,000 products, up to unlimited products as well. But you can see a lot of great functionality here. This also has the ability to access the SEO tools. So if you want to update your metadata, all that kind of stuff is right in here. You can also access your header and footer content as well. So if you need to add scripts or anything like that, you can do that in here as well. Again, really easy to build with. That's the functionality here. Mobile optimized to make sure it looks great on any kind of web page or any kind of device that you want it to be set up on, and really easy to build on. We do also have a do it for me option as well, and that ranges from $400 to $1,200 depending on how big of a site that you need. But we do have the option if you want somebody to build the site for you, you can have that done for you. Again, $400 to $1,200 one-time fee to get that built. Or you can build it yourself. It's a $25 a month for the website builder. Let's jump into social. This is a great tool. A lot of people love this. If they're doing a lot of social media management, it's just a great way for them to be able to save a lot of time, save a lot of energy in trying to manage all your social profiles at one time. Here we go. Let's let this load up for a sec. There we go. Okay, the first thing you're going to see when you get in here is your calendar view. So this is going to have any social posts that you have coming up. You're going to be able to see what's scheduled, what's queued, what's been sent out, all that good stuff right in here. So a nice way to see what your content calendar looks like. Within the system, you come and you can add your profile, so your Facebook, your Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, Google My Business, LinkedIn, Pinterest. It also has blogging systems. So if you're doing blogging on WordPress, Tumblr, Medium, you can do those. And if you want to connect it to like Slack or anything like that, you can do those types of things as well. One of the great things about this system as well is it's unlimited with connecting your social profile. So if you had 5 Facebook pages that you need to connect, you can do that. It's not like some other systems where they'll charge you a different price based on how many profiles you want to connect. Ours is unlimited. Connect as many social profiles per business that you want. Once you've connected them, you can start to compose and publish really quickly and easily. Select your social profiles that you want to create your content on. Create your content. Hello world, for example. You can do it in the original, and then you can actually differentiate that content between the different social channels really quickly and easily. You can add your location. You can add images and videos. It also has an image editor in it, so you can add filters, change the size, all that kind of stuff right there. And then you can send now. You can set up approval processes if you need, or you can schedule it to go out for a different date and time right there. Once you start to publish, then you get to come in and you get to see, what's going on. So you can come into your publish system again, and it's going to show you your calendar, what's coming up, what's been posted. You can see what's been sent, what's undelivered. So if anything bounced for whatever reason, it's going to give you a reason why that happened. And then you can also use your priority inbox, which is going to be any direct messages, any engagement. You're going to see that all right here. So you can connect and engage with everybody right there, and your social feeds as well. So you get your, for this purpose, you got your Facebook, your Instagram, your Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, whatever you have. And you can see you can fully interact with all your social profiles right here. So you can repost, you can like it, you can reply to people's posts, you can delete people's posts if you like, all that good stuff right in here. You can add your comments and basically manage all your social profiles in one system. So you don't have to mess with all of these different systems anymore. And then you can connect your messenger as well. So you can actually take your Facebook Messenger engagements right here as well. It also has some monitoring, so keyword alerts and search functions. The content, the suggestions tool is really neat. Let's say I can come in here and I'm a realtor. So I can say real estate as my topic. This is actually going to bring me articles, influencers, related topics on my industry right in here. I can find related topics. I can engage with influencers right here. So if I find, somebody that I want to engage with, I can see their profile. I can direct message them. I can connect with them. I can see everything that's going on. We'll just close out of that right now. Articles. In here, you can actually read any of these articles, and these are, related by relevance. All articles. You can also do it by by time, all those types of things in here. And then once you find an article you like, the nice thing about this system is it helps you find new content to post, which can be a pain for a lot of people trying to find new content on a regular basis. They can come in here, they can click, and then it just brings in that content so you can really quickly and easily share that with your different social profiles. So a great tool to be able to find new content on a regular basis. And then obviously reporting. So you want to come in here and be able to report on all of this. You're going to have per social profile, you'll be able to look at just the content for that one, your Google Analytics, for example. The engagement's going to show you all of your reporting in one view. You can also build custom reports. So if you just want a report that's Facebook and Instagram, for example, you can build a custom report, and you can have this automatically send you these reports on a daily, weekly, monthly basis whenever you want. So you can set up automatic reporting there as well. That's social media. Let's jump into email marketing. This is a great tool if you're doing any, so the social media is $35 a month. Again, that price point versus a Sprout Social, which is about $99 a month, or a Hootsuite, which comes about $49 a month. The 35, the price point is definitely a big point there. Email marketing, another one. Again, 10,000 emails per month to be able to use this. 10,000 emails you can send per month, or $20 a month, which is much less than the 275 or so it would cost like a MailChimp or something like that. Through here, you got your campaigns. You can create and launch your campaigns very easily. You got over 200 templates that you can start with. So your marketing templates, you come in here, you can create the templates that you want for your business. Very quickly edit, create. It's drag and drop editor, so it makes it really easy to create beautiful emails, as you can see right here. So you can see you got your backdrops, your logo. You can create imagery. You can drag and drop columns, text, buttons, videos, imagery, all that kind of stuff right in here. Drag it wherever you want and create really nice templates that you can utilize over and over again. Now that you have your template created, there's also some cool automation features in here as well. So if you want to automate things like, sending a drip campaign, if you have a new product coming out and you want to send an email to everybody, 3 emails over the course of a month, kind of telling people about this new product coming up, you can use the date feature there. If you want to send welcome emails whenever, somebody joins your group, you can set those types of things up, anniversaries or birthdays, or if you're a dentist and you want to send an automatic, hey, it's time for your next cleaning, you can use this system to automate all of that. You got your contacts in here as well. Contacts, the nice thing about, again, our system is we don't charge you based on how many contacts you have. You could have 10,000 contacts, 100,000 contacts in your list, and you only be charged by how many emails you send out that month. You can segment it so you can add as many fields as you want into the system, and you can create subscription widgets for your website so you can help grow your contact list within the system. And then you got your statistics in here as well. So you can see what's going on, who's opened, who's clicked, who's unsubscribed, all those types of things right into here. And then you can show detailed reporting. So you can see if John opened and clicked, all those types of things. And you can create automations from there as well. So if John opened and he clicked on this specific link, we want to send a follow-up email. You can do those types of things in here as well. Directory management. This tool is probably one of the more popular tools on the platform just because it has a very positive ROI on it. This tool is great for being able to come in, create a profile online, and then create a really nice large online footprint. So what happens here is you come in, the first thing you're going to see is your little dashboard here. This is going to show you profile completeness. If there's things you need to do to fill out your profiles, it's going to show you if you've had clicks to calls, visits, all that good stuff right here. Visibility index, great reporting on what's going on. And then in here, you click your profile. This one opens up in a new tab as well. So you can see that's going to open right there. And what we do here is this is actually a great system to be able to come in and you can actually see all the basic data about your business right here. So categories, all that good stuff in the system right here, all the basic data you want for your business. In the rich data, you got, services, languages, brands, payment options, attributes, and social media profiles. Photos and videos of your business, you can upload all of those in here as well. And then once you've done that, then it auto syncs and continues to resync it to all of these directories. So you can see Google, Facebook, Bing, Foursquare, Yelp, all these map and navigation systems are plugged in, general publishers through here, voice search. This also plugs into a couple of different directory listings like Manta and Foursquare, which are considered multipliers or aggregators. And what those will do is actually submit your business into hundreds of other directories based on your location, based on your industry. So if you're a doctor in Phoenix, Arizona, this system will help you make sure that you have your profile, your information in any localized directories they may have in Phoenix, Arizona for doctors. You can also publish through here as well. So you can come in, you can create your posts. You can post news, you can post offers, question and answer right through here to all your directories as well. So some neat tools you can do in here to make sure you're getting the word out and people are knowing what's going on about your business. And that's $30 per month. Again, that one is a great tool. Definitely one of the ones we recommend for all of our businesses because it just has a huge ROI on it. This is going to help make sure with all those directories, you're going to drive new business. You're going to drive new views to your website. People are going to find your business and it's going to drive higher SEO value. So you're going to be able to rank higher on like Google and Bing using a tool like this, which is going to drive more business for $30 a month. Think about what one new client might mean for your business. Reputation management. This is a great tool if you have a lot of reviews that you're trying to manage or if you're trying to create new reviews for your business. So you can come in here, you see all your reviews, total reviews, average rating, etc. You can come into your response queue and this is going to show you all your outstanding reviews. So there's none in here right now, but you can see all outstanding reviews and then clear those out of your queue. And then your full review feed here as well. This plugs into over 70 different review sites. So you got your Google, you got your Yelp, your Facebook, TripAdvisor, all the big review sites. Plus it gets pretty niche. So, if you're a doctor, if you're a lawyer, there's some ones in there specific to you. The great thing about this is you can actually respond to these reviews as well right through here. So you click there and then you can set up some templates for yourself if you want. So if every time you get a 5-star with a comment, you want it to say something specific, you can do that. And then you can submit your review right through here, your review response. So you don't have to go to Facebook and Google and all those places anymore. You can do it all through one system. It also helps you generate new reviews. So if you want to come in here, you can generate new reviews, one-off. You can do bulk uploads. You can integrate it with POS systems that you might have, those types of things. So when you collect somebody's name and phone number and email address, you can send them a text. Looks like this. You can put your logo in here, change out your content, asking for a review for your business. You can send out an email as well. So you got the functionality here. Now the email comes with 2 levels of functionality. You can see that you've got your customer satisfaction on right here, which sends out an email that looks like this. If the client clicks lived up to expectations, it'll send them to a place where they can write a review. If they clicked fell short of expectations, then it sends them to a place where they can write a review, or write a message to the manager instead. So it kind of gateways those negative reviews. Or you can turn that off and just send an email out that looks something like this. And you can dictate where you want people to review you. So you can see the BBB is integrated in this as well. So if I want more BBB reviews and more Yelp reviews, for example, and yeah, I want to leave Google there as well, save those page settings and it will direct people to where you want more reviews. So it's a great way to kind of dictate, hey, we need more reviews on BBB or Yelp or Google to kind of build out those profiles. You can help use this system to dictate where you want those reviews to be sent. And then edit the landing page as well. So you got your landing page here as well. You can use this link right here and put it wherever you want so people can find your reviews and review you here as well. Also in here, one thing that people tend to really like is the website widgets. So you can come into this and you can grab this little code right here and put it right on your website. That'll allow you to put like all your 5-star reviews right on your website so people can see that. Also, so people can click and review you right from your website as well. That's review management. It's got some great reporting modules in here as well. So review response feed, what your total reviews are, average rating over the last week or month or whatever time frame you want to look at. Requested reviews. So if you want to see what new reviews, review requests you've sent out, who's reviewed you, who's opened it, who's clicked on things, you can see all that right in here as well. Again, $30 per month versus some of the competitors that can be over $200 a month or $90 a month for the same tools, same functionality. That's again the great thing about being a member of or an accredited business of the BBB is you get these tools at prices that you just aren't going to find anywhere else. And finally, the CRM. Let's take a peek at this one. Great tool here, great functionality on this system. Really allows you to be able to really imagine managing your business, your sales cycle, your sales funnels, manage your clients, manage your customers, all that good stuff. Sorry, it's taking a sec to load this one up. Give it just a moment. So in here, you can see from a CRM perspective, this thing can get very powerful. They can do a lot of stuff, but you can also strip it down to be just, what you need specific for your business. So if you look in here, you can see opportunities, contacts, leads. So you can manage your leads and contacts and customers right through the system very quickly, very easily right there. But you can also manage your contracts and cases and sales planning. You can manage your fundraising, expense reporting, invoicing, estimates that you want to send out. Products, you can upload all your products into here so that you can also manage your supply chain, shipping, order, supplies, inventory, receiving, and you can manage your marketing campaigns right through here. So very, very functional. Again, if you just want to manage your leads through the system, you can just activate that system in here and just manage those. Very easy to work with. Also completely customizable. So you can customize this to be exactly what you need for your business, exactly what your sales funnel is going to look like. So you can change what this is going to look like. Drag and drop functionality so you can manage your leads right through your lead system. And then all the fields that are in this for customers, for leads, for opportunities are completely customizable. So you can add whatever function, whatever data that you want to gather about each one of these businesses. And then you can report on all of that as well. So a nice way to be able to manage your leads, manage your customers, manage your sales pipelines much easier. Also some really great drip campaign functionality or automation. So if you want somebody to fill out a web form on your website, that sends it into the CRM, and you want to send an initial email that goes out that allows somebody to be able to connect with you, send that initial email, send another email 2 days later saying, hey, we haven't heard from you. Do you want to set some time to talk? You can automate that full process right through here as well. Again, very customizable to the needs of your business. Finally, from a help perspective, what we have here, we've got a great help center with all the content, all the information you ever need, getting started, how the platform works, troubleshooting. You can see the content in each one of these is very robust. You got a lot of data, a lot of great resources for you to be able to get up and running and manage all your technology very easily. Also, if you ever have a question, you can submit a request to us right here. So you can submit that request, goes to our team. We have about a 15-minute turnaround, so somebody will be back with you very quickly. But also remember, right in the system itself, if you click this chat feature 24/7, it goes to our team and we can help you out with whatever questions or issues you might have very quickly, very easily to get a hold of our team. That's the platform in a nutshell. Let's go back to the system real fast to show you how to get started. So the next steps is you guys should be able to all log into your THRiVe account. You can either do it through your BBB portal. You'll see a little THRiVe button. Should look something similar to this within your BBB portal. It will drive you right into your THRiVe account, single sign-on. You can also, you should have gotten an email at some point with credentials, so that you should have the credentials to log in as well. If you don't have that, get a hold of our team and we can help you with that as well. Or get a hold of your account manager at the BBB and they can help you get logged in as well. Browse the platform. Each platform has some videos that are going to get a little deeper into these tools than we did here on this demo. Activate the tools that you need. And remember, all these tools are month to month. So if you start social media and you realize in a couple of months that you're just not using it like you thought you would, you can turn these off. Whereas there's no long-term contracts, anything like that. Build your online presence and strategy. And then remember, you guys have a $65 credit to get started on the platform. Use THRiVe 2021 when you go to make your first activation, and you can get that $65 credit to get started with using the platform. That's what we wanted to show you guys today. Thanks for joining us. We will send a version of this, the recording that we had of this, to you. So if you need to refer back to anything, go ahead and do that. If you have any questions, you can get a hold of us again right in the platform via that chat feature. And we're looking forward to seeing you guys on the platform. Thanks for joining us today.